So how did we get here? We actually got started back at the end of 2021, beginning of 22, when we had the opportunity to join in with Dallas College and other institutions to submit a proposal around workforce development in biotechnology and biomanufacturing. The purpose of our NCTM2 facility is to train the workforce. We want to be able to train where people will learn how to handle protein molecules, will be taught how to produce cell therapies and gene therapies. And this is really significant because we're giving people the hands-on training that's needed for them to be competitive.
In the lab, we got hands-on experience on putting together a sort of smaller scale bioreactor. I think that will help in my future career, just being able to show to employers that I have experience with something that might be used in the industry, in the workplace.
Being able to take advantage of this opportunity will help me into the future, just expanding my skill sets, understanding like how machines work, what are like the aseptic techniques in lab, which are all important going forwards.
Science isn't really helpful to the population if it isn't scalable. So I think it's really important to dissolve that disconnect between research and development and industry and combine it. It would benefit us greatly in North Texas to see more of these biotech industries, and I really hope that this place will be here for forever.